Very good morning. I am Dr. Senthilkumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology. And I welcome you all for this lecture series for the month February 2024 for the course Farm Mechanization. And this is the video 7. And in this video, we will discuss about the study of mold board plow, its adjustments, accessories, as well as the materials that is being used. So to say about the equipments used by the farmers to break and loosen the soil for a depth of 6 to 36 inches is called primary tillage implements. So initially, as we in the previous video, we could discuss about what is made tillage, what are all the various types of tillage. So the equipments which generally used for pulverizing the soil for a depth of 6 to 36 inches, we used to term it as tillage implements. Primary tillage equipments. Why ploughing is done? It is done to obtain a deep seed bed for good structure, to add more humus and fertility to soil by covering vegetations and minerals, to destroy the weeds, leave the soil in a condition to breathe or allow the air to circulate freely, to facilitate the introduction of seed in the soil with better contact, to destroy insects and their eggs along with their breeding places, to leave the surface in a condition to prevent erosion by wind, to get the great root protection. For these reasons we are doing these ploughing operations. So when to plough, it is the main thing. We should know when ploughing action is to be carried out. Early ploughing during rainy season reduces the weeds. When buried in soil work, it becomes manure and it gets great importance. In our country there are high winds which bring with them considerable amount of dust with particles of grass, leaves, crop residues like usha and a sort of vegetation which settle on the plough, rough, cloudy surface of the field which otherwise get blow off. In a long period of dry and hot weather, a good amount of nitrogen is built up in the air, and this is caught by first rainfall and brought to the soil. In case the field is ploughed with this rain water with nitrogen gets absorbed in loose soil, hence works as fertilizer. It acts as a natural fertilizer. In olden days, desi wooden plows were popular throughout the world. In 14th century, after introduction of steel plows are popular throughout the world. And to say about the mold board plows are one of the oldest of all agricultural implement. It is considered to be the most important tillage implement. It consumes more traction energy than any other operation. It cuts loose the furrow slice, inversive furrow slice more or less in a pulverized form. It is used for covering grass into soil immediately after rains, but its design rarely depends upon cut and dry methods. And to say about the types of mold board plow, the types of trialed as well as the semi-mounted. In case of trialed mold board plow, it is also known as pull type, and it is completely unit when support on two wheels. The complete unit is hitched by a drawbar of the tractor. It is available in 1 to 8 bottom depending upon the capacity of the tractor. Single bottom has one bottom. 2 to 8 bottoms are called gang mold boards. Size available from 36, 41 as well as 46 centimeters. And to say about the semi-mounted, these are more compact and more maneuverable than the pull type. Sizes and number of bottom are same as that of the pull type. These are less expensive comparing with the pull type. These put more vertical load on tractor rear wheels, thereby improving the tracting ability. And to say about the mounted, these are called direct mounted, which are controlled hydraulically. It is available in 2 to 5 bottoms depending upon the capacity of the tractor. And the size available in case of mounted mold board plows are 30, 36 and 41 centimeter. Increased size of mounted type plows causes tractor instability during this transport. So you can see this image shows the country plow which was used by very previous years for the purpose of agricultural ploughing. Country plow, normally it will be of animal drawn type, and it is widely used all over the world in the previous ages. To say about the classification of mold board plow, one-way plow, two-way plow, etc. So one-way plow, it turns soil to right hand side. One-way plow requires laying out of field in lands, starting with back furrows and ending with dead furrows. Two-way plow, it turns soil to both right and left side. Two sets of bottom are mounted on a common frame that is rotated about a longitudinal axis to change from one set to the other. Mechanical or hydraulic cylinders are used for rotation. Gauge wheels and rear wheels are automatically repositioned as the plow frame rolls over unless each set of bottom has its own wheel. Two-way plows eliminate the back furrow and dead furrow, leaving the field more level for irrigation or drainage. Two ways of plows are advantageous for terraced fields or contour plowing and for small irregular shaped fields. Animal drawn two-way plows is also known as turn rest plow. And you can see the parts of a plow. The plow parts are the plow bottom, plow frame, attachments, discolters and jointers, wheels, lifting mechanism, plow hitch, depth adjusting mechanism. So for varying the depth up to which the moldable plow is to go inside the soil, that can be adjusted, that is the depth adjusting mechanism. And you can see the images for this moldable plow. So the plow is in the shade of moldboard. So you can see moldboard, various parts, how it is joined together, hitching, then the frame, etc. And this image shows the parts of a mounted moldboard plow. So when it is of mounted type, what are all the various parts, it is shown in this diagram. So thank you for watching this video, and this is the video 7 of the lecture series for the course Farm Mechanization for the month February 2024. I am Dr. Senthilkumar, Associate Professor, the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Thank you for watching.